Once upon a time, in a village in a vast forest, lived a sweet girl named Little Red Riding Hood. She was named for the red-hooded cloak her grandmother made for her. Little Red loved visiting her grandmother, who lived on the other side of the woods. One sunny morning, her mother packed a basket of treats for her grandmother. "Be careful, dear," her mother warned. "Stay on the path and don't talk to strangers." Little Red promised to listen and set off happily. A sneaky wolf watched her from the shadows, wanting her treats and planning to trick her. "Good morning, Little Red Riding Hood," the wolf greeted. "Where are you headed?" "Oh, good morning, Mr. Wolf," Little Red replied. "I'm going to visit my grandmother. She's not well, and I'm bringing her some goodies." "That's kind of you. Why not pick some flowers for her from the meadow?" the wolf suggested. Thinking it a great idea, Little Red went to gather flowers. Meanwhile, the wolf ran to her grandmother's cottage, locked her in a closet, and disguised himself. When Little Red arrived, she noticed her grandmother looked different. "Grandma, what big eyes you have." "The better to see you with, my dear," the wolf replied. "Grandma, what big ears you have." "The better to hear you with, my dear." "Grandma, what big teeth you have." "The better to eat you with," the wolf shouted, revealing himself. Terrified, Little Red ran, but a woodsman burst in, scaring the wolf away. Little Red and her grandmother were safe. Little Red learned a lesson about being careful and never talking to strangers.